So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I'm going to discuss about an exciting opportunity in Swiggy, which is a work from home job and any 12th pass can do this. This is an amazing job which is available on full time as well as part time basis. So if you are a student who is still studying or doing graduation in final year or first year whatever year, and you have some time in the night like after 6 p.m. till 11 to 12 p.m. you want to work for 4 to 5 hours, then you can do this job. Otherwise you can do this job for full time also. So freshers 12th pass are all eligible, experienced are eligible. So we are going to discuss about eligibility and how to apply, which is the most important thing, because it is a bit tedious process here. So watch this video very carefully and please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos to support my channel. Now let's start. So here eligibility 12th pass, age should be 18 plus, and you should have good communications. So decent communications are required, not extraordinary communications are required for this role. Job description: you will have to solve queries of customers via chat, and you will have chance to get promoted for higher salary for voice support role also if possible in future. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So this job is floated on able jobs. So I'm giving the link in the description box. You can open that link in your mobile phone and you will be prompted to this screen, and there you will have to click install, and once you click install this will be installed. And first thing they will ask you is your full name and your contact number on WhatsApp. So your contact number should be on WhatsApp because they send some links on WhatsApp. So that is a requirement. Then you will have to allow for location access, which is there in any other device also. And once you do that, you will go to this page, which will be Swiggy assessment, and then you have to just continue. Now Swiggy, this is a customer support, chat support kind of role. So it is a non-voice role, but you can be promoted to voice role also. So once you will be prompted to this screen, you have to click this green thumbs up, and the next will be this one. So are you at 12th pass or above? So as I told you, 12th pass is mandatory, so you have to click yes. Then next, are you okay with the fixed salary of 6600 rupees plus incentives? This is for part-time positions where you have to work for 4 to 5 hours only, and for full-time position it is 14,000 plus incentives of around 2000, so somewhere around 16,000, plus a chance to get promoted later to voice support role, where will the salary will be a little high in the range of around 23 to 25,000. So here you have to click yes. Are you okay with the customer support role? Yes. And are you applying for full time, part time position? So this you have to choose accordingly. If you are available for full time, you can choose that, else you can choose part time also. Then they will tell you more about nature of job: part time, full time, completely work from home. 26 days a month you have to work. Part time 6 hours, 5 to 6 it is, 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. in the night. Full time 8 hours, rotational shifts. Week off mandatory, working on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Off will be given during weekdays. So weekdays can be given off. Salary I have already told you. Now they will take your grammar test. This is a short test. You can watch the questions. Most likely it will be same for all of them. So you can watch this video and apply. Even if you fail the grammar test for the first time, they will prompt you to do it again. So that is not an issue. So please don't forget to ring me when you dash home. So when you will get home. This is the right answer. I have taken. Next question. I'm sure I would have regretted it if I dash to take the job. So according to me, it should be if I had agreed to take the job. Having dash about your suggestion for a few days, I've decided to support the project. So this one is there. So having thought about your suggestion, this option should be correct. Did you have any problems dash your house? So the right option should be in finding our house. I don't dash listen to opera. I didn't used to listen to opera. So this one should be the correct answer. Did you remember dash the parcel? So posting post to post should be the right answer, to post the parcels. I would rather you dash to me like that in front of the customers. I would rather you not speak to me. This one should be correct. The house will dash at the end of the year. The house will be sold. This one should be correct. Read the following sentence and identify if there is a grammatical error in the sentence. So this sentence is there. I caught up some of my old photos when I was clearing out the shed. So I don't think there is any grammatical error. So there is no grammatical error. Which of the following sentences is correct? I am certain that everything will be being all right in the end. This is wrong. I am certain that everything will be all right in the end. This seems to be right. Now, if you will clear this test, you will get this screen and then you will have to do this one. Please keep moving ahead. Then there will be two audio exercises. These audio exercises are there as I told you because if you have good voice quality, they can promote you to voice support role instead of a chat support role. So you will be given some sentences and then a para and you have to then record your voice. So this kind of screen will come. So read and record the following. So first sentence is this: it is democratically elected government. I'll go to his place on Wednesday. So you can see they have given some words which are difficult to pronounce or majority of people pronounce it wrongly. I've already made a video for this regarding a Versant test where I've shown these words, these types of words. So you can watch that video. So you should not say Wednesday, otherwise it will be wrong. It is Wednesday. The weather is amazing in February. This is an automatic washing machine. Working hard is the only way to build a strong career. People say career. Career is wrong. It is a career. One should never assume what's going to happen. These kind of questions can be there. You can push this record button, say, and then just do stop recording, and then you will be able to upload. Next will be a full paragraph, and you have to read it. This one is pretty easy. No such words are there which you can pronounce wrongly. So record again, push the record button. Once it is recorded, stop recording and then this upload button can be there. You can see. So you will upload it and you can play it also. And if you don't like it, you can delete it and re-record it also. So all options are there. And then you will be prompted to this page where you will have to click on the link below. This is a Google form. When you will click on this, you will go to a Google form, something like that, and there you will have to fill in your details. So it is easy form, name, email ID, these kind of details are to be filled, mobile number, and then they will ask you whether you have a Android phone, then you have to say yes. Whether you have a laptop, so you should have laptop also, you can say yes, or otherwise you can borrow it from a friend, or laptops are rented also these days, so you can buy it from there. And then they will ask you certain specifications related to your laptop which you can easily check. They will ask RAM specifications, so it is either 4 GB or 8 GB. So you can just go to start in your computer and check your RAM, and these kind of details you can fill. And then they can ask you your total space in C drive, D drive, these kind of things. I'll show you, you can check that. Once you will fill that application form, this will show something like this, and then you need to re-come to this place. Now you have to push this thumbs up button, green button, and then you can rate this app accordingly, and then you'll come to this page and you just have to cross here, and then it will show that you have completed the step 1, and then they will send you a link on your WhatsApp mobile number, and through that link they will get in touch with you and arrange your interview. So this is this kind of process. Now I'll just show you about how you can check for your RAM. So you can just type RAM in your start button of laptop, whatever you will have, and then go to RAM info, and you can check that mine is an 8 GB RAM. So it is either 4 GB or 8 GB. You can check accordingly. And then they can also ask you in this what is your space in C drive and D drive, which also you can check easily. So you can go here in your drives, and then you can see C drive is 237, D drive is 931 in my case. So you can add this. This is more than 1000 GB. So whatever option you fulfill, you have to click that. Then you will be able to do this thing. So go to your mobile phone, go to the link that I've given in the video below, click on that link and follow each step as I have told you in the video. Then only you will be able to register successfully. Otherwise there will be a problem. So you can watch that video again and again, and then you will be able to apply accordingly and participate in the interview process. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till